Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can sell on Cartel. So let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do to sell items on Cartel is, of course, you do need to create an account on Cartel, and once you do, it'll prompt you with an onboarding questionnaire, which will help you set up your store for the specific purposes that fit you best. Now, once you set everything up, you'll arrive at your dashboard, and once you're here, then you need to add your products. Now, if you sell on other platforms, you can also import those products as well, but you can also add your products manually, or you can use apps such as Printful, which are print on demand services, which will just make your items for you, print them, and then ship them themselves, as far as I'm aware. Now, you can import them by going to more actions, click on import products, and that should be it. And other than that, you can click add a product and enter all the product information that you need. I'll create a test product like so, set the price to $1, add no variance, shipping is going to be for everywhere, and I'm going to set alone as 1, click save, and once you do that, then your product will be here in your products tab, and it'll be available for purchase on your store. Now, make sure you set up your payment options before you do anything, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.